Today we are going to be making a basic AC generator, and for that you are going to need a baseboard, a medium-sized wheel, 4 strong bar magnets, sufficient insulating wire, 2 ball bearings, a staff that will fit through them, 2 small pieces of plywood, and less than 2-volt LED light. I'm going to be starting by attaching my pulley system to my baseboard. In order to do that, you are going to take a nail and place it in the middle of your wheel. In order to keep it secure but not restrict the wheel from turning, you are going to slip on a little washer or metal piece to keep it in place. To make sure that stayed, I also add a little glue and for extra secureness, a rubber band. Now before attaching my pulley system to my board, we have to create a hole for the handle to fit through. So you drill a hole quickly, and then you place your handle through, stick a little glue in there to keep it secure. In order to attach my pulley system to my board, I used the drill to pre-make a hole, and now I'm in the process of screwing the nail into the board. Now we're going to have a lot of nails sticking out of the other side of the board, so I'm going to put on some little feet so that it stands. Now that I've attached everything and I have a fully functional pulley system, it's time to move on. Now that the pulley system is complete, it's time to make the magnet house. How you do this is you take a piece of plywood, or in my case I used some hard cardboard. You drill a nice hole through and place your ball bearing in and secure it with some hot glue. After placing one end of the staff through the ball bearing, I attach the magnets with tape in order to ensure that they will not wobble when they spin. Now that this is all ready and all put in place, we only have one more step before we can glue it down, and that is wrapping this insulated wire all around it as many times as possible. So now we are so close to being done. We've glued down our magnet house, we've wrapped the insulated wire, we have the pulley system done, we're waiting on the headband, and now all we've got to do is put in place our LED light and attach these wires. Okay, so we are on to the last step, which is connecting those 2 wires to the LED on the bottom part of the board. In order to connect the wire to the LED, you must strip this wire and then wrap it around and tape it down like I have on this side. The last, most exciting and nerve-wracking step in making your AC generator is testing to see if it works. So here we go. We're going to watch that light right there to see if it turns on. Nice spins. And ta-da!